Hi students, Mr. Metelsky here, and this video will be going over how to find percent change when both the new and the old values are given. So here's our example. It says a pair of sneakers is on sale for $75.99. They used to cost $129.99. What is the percent change? So the first thing we need to remember is the percent change formula. And that is the new amount minus the old amount over the old amount. And that will equal our percent over 100. Sometimes you might hear me reference the old amount as the original amount. Okay, those are interchangeable. So the new amount is the discounted amount, right? It's the sale price, which is $75.99. So $75.99 minus the old amount. Well, the old amount was how much they used to be before they went on sale, and that's $129.99. And then we're going to divide that by the old amount, which again is the $129.99. And then that will equal our percent change. So our percent, which we're going to represent by X, over 100. So now we have a proportion set up. Now we first need to figure out what the difference is up top. So $75.99 minus $129.99 is negative 54. So basically it went down $54 out of the original $129.99. And that will equal X over 100. Now we use what we call the cross product property. So we're going to multiply the denominator on the left by the numerator on the right. So 129.99 times X, that creates 129.99X. And that will equal the numerator on the left and the denominator on the right, negative 54 times 100. So we have to do this multiplication over here, so the left side remains the same, 129.99x. And negative 54 times 100 is negative 5400. And now we just need to eliminate this 129.99 that's multiplying by dividing. So we're going to divide both sides by 129.99. These cancel, and we're left with X equals, now we need to go to our calculator, negative 5400 divided by 129.99. That gets us negative 41.54. So approximately we're about 42% off. Okay, so the negative means that it's 42% off. It's a discount, meaning it decreased. So that negative really is, it went down but 42%. Okay, so again, let's just take a look at what we did here. In order to find our percent change, we take the new amount, which was the sale price, minus the old amount, which was the original price, and we divide it by the original or the old amount. And that equals the percent over 100. We subtracted the numerators here to get negative 54. That means we saved $54. We divide it by the original price, and that's equal to X divided by 100. Then we use what we call the cross product property. So we multiplied the numerator on the left by the denominator on the right to get negative 54 times 100. We multiplied the denominator on the left by the numerator on the right, and that got us 129.99x. We divided by the 129.99 to get our percent change, which was negative, so that means it's a discount, so 42% off if we round to the nearest whole percent. All right, good luck.